Good morning, Prep Yellow. I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Today we will do maths work, and in maths we will do dictation and 2 times table. So let's start and let's drill the 2 times table. 1 times 2 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 3 times 2 is 6, 4 times 2 is 8, 5 times 2 is 10, 6 times 2 is 12, 7 times 2 is 14, 8 times 2 is 16, 9 times 2 is 18, 10 times 2 is 20. Dear children, open this page in your maths notebook and let's see what it says. Dictation. It means today we have to do dictation. Are you ready for the dictation? Very good. Today we will do 2 pages. First we will do dictation and after that we will do 2 times table again. So let's do the dictation first. Before we start the dictation, what we will do, we have to write down today's date and day over there. Can you tell me what date is today? Today is 23rd. Very good. So here we will write down 2323 dot 4 dot 2021. And what day is today? Today is Friday. Very good. So let's write Friday and spell with me. F-R-I, Fry, D-A-Y, day. Friday. Very good. Now let's read the caption again. Dictation. Are you ready for the dictation? Very good. So let's start the dictation, and your first dictation word is 40. So here write down 40 and here write down the spelling of 40. 40. Have you written? Very good. Now let's move to next, and your next word is 50. So here you will write down 50 and here you will write down the spelling of 50. 50. Written? Very good. Okay, now next is 70. So here you will write down 70 and here write down spelling of 70. 70. Written? Very good. Now after 70, next is 80. So here write down 80 and here write the spelling of 80. 80. Have you written? Very good. Okay, now the last is you have to write down the spelling of pentagon. So here we will draw the shape of pentagon. So you can draw like this: slipping line, slant line, and then you will make slant line and join it. So this is pentagon. Now write down the spelling of pentagon. Have you written? Very good. Now let's check it again. 40, 50, 70, 80, pentagon. Very good. Now let's open next page and we will do the table of 2. Very good. Dear children, this is dictation page. Now after this page you can see there is a empty page. So today we will write down the table of 2 over there. So let's write the date first. Today is 23rd. So here we will write down 23rd dot 4 dot 2021, and today is Friday. So here we will write down Friday. F-R-I, Fry, D-A-Y, day, Friday. Now today we are doing 2 times table. So let's write the caption first. You can write the caption by yourself and you can take the help of your mama as well. So here we will write down 2 times T-I-M-E-S, times, table, T-A-B-L-E, table. So today we are doing 2 times table. Dear children, yesterday we have done the 2 times table. Now we are doing 2 times table in another way. So for that way, what I will do, I will write down 1 here, multiply 2 equals, and here we write down T means tens, and U means units. Very good. So now let's start the 2 times table. So 1 times 2 is 2. What will come here? 2. Again 1 times 2 is 2. Now after 1 times 2 we will write down 2 times 2 is. So here we will write down 2 multiply 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Very good. So here we will write down 4. Very good. Now let's move to next, and after 2 we will write down here 3. 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 3 times 2 is 6. Very good. So here we will write down 6. Now let's move to next. After 3 what will come? 4. So 4 times 2 is 4 times 2 is, yes, can you tell me? 4 times 2 is 8. Very good. So here we will write down 8. Now after 4 what comes? 5. So 5 times 2 is, can you tell me what is 5 times 2 is? Yes, 10. Very good. So here we will write down 1, 0, 10. Now after 5 times 2, 10. After that 5, after 5 what comes? 6. So what we will write down here? 6. Now 6 times 2 is, can you tell me? 6 times 2 is, yes, 12. Very good. So here we will write down 12. Very good. Now after 6 what come? 7. So 7 times 2 is, yes, can you tell me? 7 times 2 is 14. Very good. So here we will write down 14th. 1, 4, 14th. Very good. Now after 7 what comes? 8. So here we will write down 8. 8 times 2 is, can you tell me what comes? 8 times 2 is 16. Very good. So here we will write down 16. 1, 6, 16. Now after 8 what comes? 9. Very good. So here we will write down 9. Now 9 times 2 is, yes, 9 times 2 is 18. Very good. 1, 8, 18. Very good. Now after 9 which number will come? 10. So we will write down 10 like this. We will write down 1 in that box and 0 in that box. So 10 times 2 is, can you tell me? 10 times 2 is, yes, 20. Very good. So here we will write down 20, 20. Very good. So dear children, this is your 2 times table. Now let's drill it again. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. 5 times 2 is 10. 6 times 2 is 12. 7 times 2 is 14th. 8 times 2 is 16th. 9 times 2 is 18th. And 10 times 2 is 20. Very good. So dear children, this is your today's work. Now complete your work. Goodbye.